Welcome back to episode 2 of building the world's first G80 M3 GTR wide body kit. On the last episode, you guys seen that we did a full disassemble on the G80 M3. Our goal in mind was just to get the car in a bare bones state, and that's exactly what we did. We also teased you guys at the end of the video with the fender mock-up, and let me tell you guys, this fender is so aggressive, it could kind of just give you an idea to show how wide the car is going to be. But in today's video, our main goal is to do a full front end test fit. So what that means is we're going to be installing the full front bumper, the hood, the other fender, which is the passenger fender, and that's going to help us get a general idea on how the front end is going to sit, and it's also going to give us a good idea on how much wider we're going to make the rear. And let me just tell you, the rear is going to be pretty wide. The G80 and same with the F80 itself, the sedan platforms in itself are already pretty wide, but our goal is to make this really juicy and fat in the rear, similar to how we have our E92 M3. But with all that being said, let's jump into the episode today and get to it. So we're officially going to be test fitting some things today, mainly the front end. Right now we're doing some soft mocking up of the front fenders. We'll do the same with the hood and the front bumper to kind of see how everything's sitting. There's definitely going to be a lot of trimming and cutting that we're going to need to do to allow things to sit more properly, and there's going to be reshaping that's going to be done. But you guys can see already on the fender area, these are lining up really nice, really clean. Some body lines we're going to be refining. And ultimately what this is going to do is once we produce the kit for you guys will have a nice kit that sits flush and that works well with the G80 M3. As you guys seen in the last video, we left off with all the trims up on it and everything is going to be off.
Has to go up
under these things.
Oh. I think this is gonna be another
issue.
Yeah, cause so you see this one is kind of stuck already.
Yeah.
But here it's not.
Okay, then if anything, we could just. Oh shit.
Or maybe we have to, but the thing is.
Oh, there you go. There we go.
Yeah. Well, cause maybe right here, cause you know we have these stoppers.
Yeah. Maybe we remove the stoppers, huh? We're going
Maybe
top of
on top. Yeah.
Oh, that allows it to fit better.
Yeah.
Guys, this looks absolutely insane. I'm about to give you guys the craziest teaser of what to expect with this kit on your G80 M3. This looks absolutely crazy. I literally put the camera on the tripod because I needed to talk to you guys. So right now we got the front fenders test fitted, we got the front bumper test fitted, and I'm blown away. I cannot wait to see this project really just come to life, come together. It's gonna look crazy, but let's show you guys. This looks insane. This looks insane. Wow, it's crazy to see this kit on the G80, specifically because the 4 doors, we're so used to seeing it on the G82 M4, but this looks absolutely crazy. I have no words. This is gonna be hands down one of the craziest kits for the G80, like hands down. It's gonna look so good. I think what we're gonna do next is we're gonna put the hood on. So I'll give you guys a couple of a little bit more teasers, but man, this is a sneak peek of what to expect.
then just put the bolt right
The
there.
bottom one, right?
Yeah.
I need way bigger washers, but it'll work for now.
That should be okay. Just try to do it like on the center.
Yeah, the center or something.
Hopefully close.
Yeah.
Just this part right here. See how high it is?
Yeah.
Right.
Oh yeah,
This
so
part. Yeah.
that's where that piece is. It's
Yeah.
more smooth than
Yeah,
down here.
uh-huh.
Yeah. Okay. Damn.
And then right here, well,
Is it interfering? Oh, is it on that side?
well,
Is this where it hits it? I think that's where it hits it. So it's fine?
yeah.
If it sits fine, it's...
No, it sits. Oh no, it sits
Oh.
right here on the.
Oh!
There is the bolts right here for the
strut bar.
strap bar.
Here she is, guys. The full front end pretty much installed. And wow. I know I keep saying that, but wow is like the best word to describe this. Look how insane this looks. This can give you an idea of how wide the rear is going to be. Look at that. So we're probably going to do some possible test fitting in the rear right now. We're not going to touch any quarter panel stuff because that is going to involve us cutting and trimming and doing all that. We're probably going to save that for another video and a day, but man, this is absolutely insane. Comment down below your guys' initial thoughts. This is going to be the first G80 with the GTR body kit globally. This is going to be insane. For some reason, I'm kind of digging the headlights taped. So now that we got the rear bumper on, this is where a lot of the magic's going to happen. One of our favorite things about the G80 and also the F80 M3 is how pronounced these rear hips are. So our goal is to make sure those hips stay as pronounced as possible with flowing even with the rear bumper. And also there's going to be a lot of new changes that we do to this rear bumper that we have not even showed you guys yet. So stay tuned for that because the rear end on the G80 is about to get way more aggressive than it already currently is. An interesting fact that I wanted to point out in case you guys don't know, the front bumper and rear bumper are one single piece. So as you can see down here in the lower diffuser section, this is all one single piece, meaning you can't just unclip this like a traditional bumper. The diffuser trim and everything, including the rear bumper slats, these lower sections as well, is all integrated into one single piece. So when it comes to installation, when it comes to trimming, cutting, and all of that good stuff, we need to make sure that fitment from the beginning is always as best it's going to be. So that is one of our priorities. That is one of our key focuses here on the G80 M3 GTR wide body kit that we're going to be focusing on a lot. And like I mentioned, we're going to be making this bumper a lot more aggressive, specifically around here in the diffuser section. Right now it's clean, it's simple, it mimics the GTR version, but we're going to give it a little bit more pizzazz, and you guys are definitely going to like the way it looks. I promise you guys. So stay tuned for that. The rear bumper is nowhere near its final completion. It's about to get a lot wider back here. So that's going to wrap it up on episode 2 of building the world's first G80 M3 GTR wide body kit. We've made so much progress today, like you guys just saw. We got the front bumper mocked up, we got the hood on, we got both fenders mocked up. We are starting at a very good solid place right now. There's still a lot of trimming and adjusting that needs to be done. And there's also going to be some new changes in the front end that you guys have not seen yet. So right now, this is just to kind of give you guys a general idea on what to expect. But honestly, I'm completely blown away. This looks so aggressive. This kit styling fits the G80 M3 so well, and we cannot wait to see everything completed. With all that being said, make sure to comment down below right now. Literally pause the video, leave a comment. We're genuinely curious. Myself and the team here are curious to know your guys' thoughts on the full front end on the G80 M3. Honestly, we are completely mind blown here, and we cannot wait to see this car come to life. And honestly, we cannot wait to see a bunch of you G80 M3 owners eventually with this kit on your car. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. We will catch you guys on the next build episode. Take care.